here in the Aurora, York region. Prollenium specializes in the design and manufacture of hyaluronic acid products specifically for use in dermatology and aesthetic medicine.
About 7 years ago, we really wanted to consolidate everything to Canada. So we invested in a facility right here in York region. Since then, we've been developing everything in-house.
Majority of the people that use our technology are physicians, specialties like dermatology, plastic surgery. But part of our business is also not only in the aesthetic and cosmetic area, but we're also looking at therapeutic uses of hyaluronic acid. So one of the biggest areas that we're working on in our research department here is in osteoarthritis and joints, because you can also use hyaluronic acid inside the joints for reduction of pain.
And one reason why we're so happy to be doing this here in Canada is that throughout the world, people really respect products that have come from Canada. They know that there's a lot of safety behind it, and when you're getting something like this done, your first priority is that it's going to be safe. Especially in markets like in Korea and Russia and Brazil that are in Middle East that are absolutely huge, people really trust Canadian products.